Electric milk frother drink mixer ROMAUNT handheld electric battery-operated frother coffee stainless steel foam maker perfect for espresso, latte, cappuccino with bonus protective case, mix spoon. Multifunction kitchen tool. The electric milk is perfect for cappuccino, latte, macchiato, milkshake or drinks. It also applies to whip egg white foam. Extra bonus, there is a mix spoon and an amazing protective case which can protect your milk frother from bending when working, traveling, hiking, working, camping. You can put it in your suitcase, backpack, handbag, briefcases, gym bag, etc. Handheld and ergonomic design, precise size, just about right proportion and ergonomic design is consistent with your palm, give you perfect usage experience when you use the milk frother to make some milk or coffee. High quality material. The main body are constructed from high-quality ABS plastic material. The frothing wand are constructed from food-grade 304 stainless steel to prevent rust or corrosion. Perfect travel partner, you could easily take the frother wherever you go. The hard case protects your frother wand from deformation and damage. The spoon helps you mix and get a better taste of your drinks. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.